Hi, welcome to this new quickie. In this quickie, we will learn something new about Git that I also learned recently. And there's two disclaimers here. This is not a Git tutorial, so I assume you to know the basics of Git, and also there is a bunch of aliases that I use, so I assume you also know the Git basic commands. So let's get started. So nice, here's our terminal. So here's our lovely terminal, as I said. This is better be demonstrated on an already made Git that has some work in it, and what I want to demonstrate is the power of the -- merged option. So before I learn about it, I was using log heavily to detect what branches are merged and what branches are not, because usually it's a good practice to delete, fix and feature branches after you're done with them. After you already merged them and done with them, you delete them, so anyone that comes and works with you and want to do some fix, he goes to master or dev branch directly and creates a branch from the latest update. Right? Good. So let's say I have this repo here and I want to see some info using the log, and as I see it's already messy, I need to expand this, maybe make it a little bit smaller in size. So here's the master. I see that this branch already merged with the master, okay, and I want to find the database feature branch. So let's find where it's sitting right now. On which branch is it right now? So I don't think that it's 7 months away. And as you see already, checking the log to find the merged branch took us a little bit of time. Maybe we try the log all to see all the branches log once. It's a bit helpful. So let's search for the data. As you see, we already have many branches, many data, unneeded data to our current scenario and our current mission. So here is it. We find the database branch. It's sitting on this commit, and as we see, it stopped here at this commit, and the master is here, and no sign in the graph that it's got merged. So it took us a little bit of time, and I know that log has many filters that could help us find such information, but as you see, it's messy. It's very messy. Even if you use the git log one-line command, also it's not helpful to. It doesn't have a graph by default. What about if you use the graph? Maybe. Not so helpful. Also takes us sometimes, it wastes sometimes, and usually you have many feature branches, many fixed branches, maybe the bot in GitHub, PR's new branches that has updates to packages that has some security issues, so you have to merge them and update them. So you have a lot of branches that need merges most of the time, and you need to clean them after you merge them. So there's a cleaner approach, which is just using the -- merged option. Just by running this command, in a matter of seconds, you can see that this branch is already merged to the master branch, and this also merged to the master branch, this also merged to the master branch. So if you want, it's safe to delete this and delete this and delete this branch also. And let me give a little information here. It's not the best practice to name the branches as versions. It's better to use tags and releases for versions. Those are basically feature branches. So if you want to delete them, they are already merged just by using this very clean, very simple command. And if I want to make sure what are the branches that are not merged, I list all the branches. So here's the database feature branch, and it's not here, so it's not merged, so it's not safe yet to delete this. There is work and files, edits that are here and are not in the master. So if I accidentally used this command, git branch delete database branch, this will delete it, and this is actually very dangerous, and I will not do it in an actual project. And the small d is a bit safer, yes, in recent Git versions. It prevents you if it's not merged yet, so it clearly says that it's not a fully merged branch, so it's forbidden to do this. But let's say you forgot your keyboard and has the caps lock on, maybe an AI told you to do so, and you used the big D, and the capital D is the kind of guy that is strong and big. I don't need you to ask me twice, just do as I want, and it will go and directly delete your branch that is not yet merged. So this was the quickie. It was about using -- merged when you want to merge and see what is safe to merge and what is not. It saves a lot of time, actually. It's safe. See you in the next quickies. Bye bye.